Guys, let me show you how I actually made up to 50,000 naira in 7 days from this particular app. Let's be brutal with
You
ourselves
can't expect.
to make money online without performing any service or without rendering any task. Oh, my laptop, I do not even use it. I actually use my smartphone, guys. Show you exactly how you can also do this as well. If this is your first time coming across this particular channel, welcome to Financial Us TV. Now let's get started. So first, I wanted to know that this app did not pay me for promotion. I'm only sharing this because it helps me, and I feel like it's going to help you too. And also, this business may not be your type. It's not. It's just a side hustle, but I believe everyone can do it if only you have interest in it. Okay. So before you can actually download this app or register, you have to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download, and you can also use your website to perform any service you want to render on this particular app or website. So as you see on the screen, you notice that there are a lot of transactions that I've carried out on this app, and I have made almost more than 50,000 naira from this particular app. But I made 50,000 naira in a week by just selling what I am selling on this particular website. So how much can you actually make? You can actually make, let's be realistic, you can make up to like 5k to 10k. That's if you have your audience. I will also teach you how you can actually gather the audience just with your smartphone and data subscription, and you can actually make your first 100, 200 to 300k from this particular side also. This is not a joke. This is something I've tried before and I'm still doing it. Sure, you guys. This is my second year, and that is why I am telling you exactly what I do to make money online as a student in Nigeria. This is one of my side hustles, okay? So to register, you go to your Chrome browser or your Apple Store or your Play Store, download it and register with your Gmail and create a password. Once that is done, boom, exactly how the page is going to look like. So they have different service here, but what I majorly focus on is Crash Card. Now, who are my audience? My audience are jump aspirants that want to enter school. So, listeners, now if you are in Unilag, you are in Unibadon, Uni Abuja, Kwara State University, Uni Ilorin, any university, polytechnic, or college of education that you are, there will always be an aspirant that wants to enter 100 level. So, those are my target audience. So, the next question is, how am I going to get my target audience? So what I did when I wanted to gather my own audience is that I created a Facebook account and a Facebook group. So in that group, I said I named it Kwasu Aspirants because I studied in Kwasu. So no matter where you are studying, be it Ibadan, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Kogi, anywhere in Nigeria, you can just create a particular or Facebook group with the name of that, and then you name it so aspirants. So aspirant of that university we joined, and they will want to do this. I mean, they will want to know get more information about their school, and then you drive them to what's it called, your WhatsApp group or Telegram group. I prefer using WhatsApp, and then when it comes to like coaching and anything, I use Telegram. So if you have interest in coaching them as well, this is another great opportunity as well. Okay. So as I was saying, you just create a Facebook group, keep posting, keep updating, and you watch your Facebook group grow. But there's one thing about this business is that it's sessional. Like it has a period. The period where jam form is out, that is when this work starts. You're going to create a group, updating them about Jam, and also create a group for Jam coaching online. I know a guy that actually charged 6,000 naira for per student per month for coaching, and they might it, and it can have up to like 20 to 30 to 40 students in one group. Multiply that times 60, and they only take what's it called? You only take them. I mean the lesson or coaching. You only coach them for like 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week of different subjects. So he has different teacher or his mates at school that take different subjects. One teacher can actually take two. So that is how you can actually do it as well if you have interest in it. You know, I said earlier, not everyone is going to have this type of strength to do this type of job. But I believe it's not that stressful and it's easy to handle because it's all from your smartphone. You don't have to show your face anywhere. So if you want to show your face, maybe you want your students to trust you enough to be able to pay to you. Maybe you might just create a voice call on the group, or maybe you want to say, okay, anyone that wants to speak with me, or they want to make a video call with me with their parent and all of that. And they'll have their request, then you can grant that request, not that you just be posting your face there. So it's not necessary for me. It's not necessary. I have never done that, and only said that say, my mom said I wants to, he wants to talk to you, stuff like that, and then that is how it is. So that's how basically how I gather my audience and how I sell. But this particular business of selling scratch card, I made 50,000 naira in 7 days, and you can actually do it as well. It's not that hard. 1,000 naira, and from this scratch card, you can make at least 1,200 from one person or 1 5. So imagine you have to sell for 10 people in a day for the next 7 days. So calculate it, you see you already make more than 50,000 naira. So it's not as complicated as you think it is. Yeah. Once you have the right audience, you see that you are going to make more money. Like I make 300K from this business last year, and that was my first year. And I did not even coach. I did not do coaching at all. All I did was just registration. You know, after this coaching, buying card for this scratch card, you're still going to do screen registration for the students, and you can also charge them for consultation. But I do not charge for consultation. But I do not charge. But the time is still going to come that I will start charging for consultation. So that is basically everything about this way. I mean, this side part of side also. Yeah, that's all. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section as well, and do not hesitate to ask any what's it called, any support that you want me to render. I'm not talking about finance. Okay. Maybe you want to ask question, or you want me to guide you through the process all through. Let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to do that. At least if I'm every one or two people out there, going to make me happy as well. Alright, guys, see you in the next one, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and also share with your loved ones. Bye.